Susten Pass now for a sunrise coffee run. Obviously taking the long route round to Zurich to buy coffee this morning. My GT3 has been sat down in Monaco the last few months, which was a nice early start to the summer for me. But now back here in Switzerland, I know you've all missed my Swiss mountain pass videos. So starting today, there will be many incoming over the next couple of months. Look at that view. The sun touching the peaks. I'm now at 7,500 kilometers on my GT3. I think I've owned it for nearly a year now already, or at least 11 months, I think. Love it. I've been really just enjoying this one, just using it a lot off camera. My other cars I seem to mainly just use them when I was filming, but this I've just been using for everything really. Normally in the winter this is exactly where this spot where it's closed off, and it feels so nice now just to keep driving. Look at this road, it's just a bit ridiculous, this road. I was up here last night, I did a small meetup. If you don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I share my meetups. Thank you to everyone that came, it was so much fun. So many amazing people that travelled so far just to come say hi to me. I was quite blown away by that. Tunnel! Oh yes. Look at this. Such a special road. Oh, ease off next to the sheep. Every time I see sheep grazing, I obviously lift my foot off the pedal. But they seem very unbothered. They're probably quite used to it. From what I saw yesterday up here, just got so many car enthusiasts up here the last few days. Really was crazy. I feel like the car community has grown again. Is that a 997? He waved. Miss this road. Miss summer driving. Love this sound. Timeless. Stop number one up the Susten Pass. I always stop on this bit. I always smile like an idiot as well. It's just so nice to come up here first thing in the morning. I love it. It really definitely is one of my favorite things ever. And I'm in shorts and t-shirt. That's quite rare, even for the Susten Pass, I have to say. Normally, even up here, it's quite fresh. Very rarely I can actually be up here in shorts and t-shirt. Weather is amazing right now. I can hear something. Let's have a look what it is. That was a Caterham and a Corvette. The Caterham is definitely trying to overtake that Corvette. That is weight and power versus lightweight. Look at that roof. Just epic. That was a nice morning. Very busy this morning. Now I'm gonna head to Zurich, back up over the pass. I'm ready for my coffee. That's a view and a half. There we go. By the sun. Oh, yeah. Bouncing off the walls. It just makes me happy. What can I say? Let this bike past. Go on. There we go. He's faster than me. Well, that's the morning run done with. I won't bore you with the motorway part in between. On the way to Zurich to get some nice coffee at my friend's new coffee shop. Not the easiest. Ooh, it is hot in here. 37 degrees Celsius again in Zurich. Just madness. Coffee to go. Also 2 cappuccino, an espresso and a filter, and now this. So I'm good for the day. Holy moly. It's a little bit too hot for cappuccino, but you know, I love a cappuccino, so very nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For me, it is a very hot and sweaty, as I said, not helping with hot cappuccino. Ciao for now.